welcome back to class. Today we're looking at the letter sound U and its alternatives. Alright, the letter sound U, we all know is written this way, but the U can also be written in another way. That is what I meant by its alternatives. Now, when you see EW, it makes the U sound. When you see this U, a consonant in between an E, it also makes the U sound. Alright, let's go to the board. I have a few examples on the board, so let's blend the letter sounds together. Do you still remember this letter sound? The. Good job. The. U. Do. U. Fuel. Alright, now let's move to the other one. When you see EW, it makes the U sound. Okay. U. Feel. U. New. U. Still. So we move to the last one. U. Now the first example I have on the board, the consonant B is written in between. So let's see how we blend. U. B. Cube. Do you get that? Let's try again. U. B. Cube. Good job. U. Use. U. Use. And the last one I have here. U. B. Tube. Good job. So today we've learned the letter sound U and its alternatives. So see you in my next video. But before then, make sure you go back and you check it. I like to have a barbecue. You. Alright. Have a beautiful day. Bye.